Get into the 2011 Maserati Gran Turismo. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, alarm, dual zone AC. Don't miss the opportunity to take this vehicle out for a test drive. Our team will give you an outstanding customer experience. Stop in today.